our villa. Well, it's not exactly our villa, but it's a very nice villa that we found on Airbnb about 15 minutes south of Ubud that we've had the pleasure of staying here for over a month. Let's go check it out. Beginning here at the main entrance, you immediately walk into this little garden area, walkway up there to one of the bedrooms, which we'll see in a second. Take the walkway up. We arrive here at the outdoor seating area and the pool area, which is actually very spacious, even for Bali, which we've been swimming in almost every day. Now moving inside, thank you, Allie. We begin here at the living area with a couple of benches / sofas. TV area. Moving on, we have our kitchen island with some seating. Full kitchen with microwave, oven, stovetop, sink, as well as a full fridge. Moving on, we enter our first of 3 bedrooms here. You can kind of see, which you can have direct access outside. Fairly spacious with the bed, right? Little nightstand, dresser over here. And moving outside of this room, just outside, we have our first also of 3 bathrooms. Pretty standard. Just a kind of like half bath with a toilet and a shower. Moving back toward the kitchen, we arrive at the main sink area. So you have sink, towels, toilet paper. Also what's included is fresh water and weekly cleaning, which is really nice. The one thing though it's not included is electricity, so that has to be paid separately. All right, now right next to it, we move into our second bedroom, which is gonna open here. As you can see, very spacious. We have 2 desks as well, which make it really nice for working. And as we continue on into the bedroom, we arrive at the second bathroom, very similar to the first, toilet, shower. Now, continuing to the other side of the hall, we arrive at our third and final bedroom, and my personal favorite. As you can see, very similar to the other rooms, bed, nightstand, spacious, and access directly to the pool. So how cool is that to wake up and then jump into the pool, which I've actually done on a few occasions. So very, very nice. And here in the garage area, there's actually 2 bikes that you can use, as well as a washing machine. And while this villa is a great place to kind of relax and get work done, it's also near a wide variety of amazing places, including beautiful waterfalls, rice terraces, monkey forests, and more. And the total cost to stay here comes to right around $2,000 US per month, including electricity, although it might vary a little bit. And obviously, if you're one person, this might be a lot, especially coming to Bali. However, if you're dividing this villa between 3 to 6 people, that can actually be very, very inexpensive. So, and again, we had a great experience here. We're sharing our experience with you and hope you enjoyed it. And if you want to link to this specific Airbnb, we'll be linking that in the description section below. And if you'd like to learn the best things to do in Ubud, in Bali, then be sure to check out this video here on the screen. And as always, thanks so much for watching and look forward to having you on the next one.